Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character P step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. P, to act on, to criticize, to pass on. For example, 批准, to approve. "批准, to approve, to ratify. Now check this sentence. I will not have you running around the countryside without my authority. 没有我的批准，我不允许你在乡下到处乱跑。I will not have you running around. The countryside. Without my authority. "没有我的批准，我不允许你在乡下到处乱跑。乡下到处乱跑。Without my authority. 没有我的批准。我不允许你在乡下到处乱跑。I will not have you running around the countryside without my authority. 没有我的批准，我不允许你在乡下到处乱跑。P in cursive. P, to act on, to criticize, to pass on. 批准, to approve, to ratify. I will not have you running around the countryside without my authority. 没有我的批准，我不允许你在乡下到处乱跑。P. Please comment any words or sentence with the Chinese character P. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.